and welcome back to my channel. I have a very extremely exciting video today. I am doing my first collab this year with a very dear friend of mine here on YouTube, and she's also a dear friend of mine just in general. I love her to death. Her name is Courtney Jeannette, and here is her channel. Guys, be sure to go over before you watch this video and subscribe to her YouTube channel. Also, she will be posting a 4th of July collab look as well. So after you get done watching me, go check her video out as well. So you may say that I already have my base done and my lips done. That's because this is going to be focused on the eyes, and I want to do a fun 4th of July look for you guys, and I wanted to get it out early just in case somebody out there may want to recreate it for 4th of July. Okay, for an eyeshadow base, I'm going in with this P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Zero. Okay, and to set this down, I am going to go in with this Wet n Wild contour palette, and I want to use the white. Okay, now that I look all crazy, let's move on to the eyeshadow. Now, I'm not actually sure what direction I want to go in with this eyeshadow. I know I'm going to do a red, white, and blue look, but I'm not 100% sure which way I want to go with it. I'm going to go in with the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star. It does have some nice-ass blues, shall I say. Okay, I'm going to go in with the shade I'm Cold first, and we're going to just start from there. The only red shadow that I own is in this palette. This is a trust the process look. I'm going to go in with the shade Celebrity Skin from the Blue Blood palette, and I'm going to attempt to blend the top of these out. Now that my eyeliner is on, and it is thick, it is thicker than a Snicker. That is so funny. But yeah, this look is crazy right now. It's wild. Ah, oh, it's crazy, and I'm all jacked up on coffee. By the way, let's take a drink of coffee. So I still don't really know what I'm doing here. We're just gonna keep playing with the eye look, and we're eventually gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I do have this cute little Sesame Street Wet n Wild palette here that actually has a gorgeous blue in it. It is a chunky glitter blue, so I kind of want to try to put that on my lids. That's what it looks like. Now, I don't have any glitter glue. I searched Walmart, and I could not find glitter glue at all. And in my area, I couldn't find glitter glue at all. So we're just going to go back in with this P. Louise base and try to use it as a glitter glue. The thing is, I don't have a red glitter. So we're going to take this all the way out as far as possible. Okay, that glitter is god awful. It is horrible. I'm gonna make this look work, you guys. I'm gonna make it work the best as possible. It doesn't look too bad, but the red is just, we're gonna have to fix it. It's very patchy. And then when I do fix it, it's too bold. It's not the bold and the beautiful up in here. I'm going to attempt to fix it by adding more liner. I'm gonna add red, white, and blue liner, and I'll see you guys.
Love it.
For mascara, I am going to go in with this Maybelline Sky High mascara. For lashes, I am going to go in with these Ioni lashes. And I don't know if you guys can see, but they have red in them. And these are in this style, Red Wispy Cat Eye. finally I'm at the finishing touches. I do want to tightline. I'm gonna go in with this D&M Granite eyeliner. This is a pomade eyeliner. I am going to take a white eyeliner by Ioni, and I am going to use this to do my waterline, and then I am going to go in with this Ioni mascara. This is a volumizing mascara and it's blue. Okay, I've never used a colored mascara before, but we're going to use it today. Ooh. You know, this right here would really pop if I had a white base to go under it. Okay, I do have a blue highlighter here, and this is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette, and I'm going to go in with this blue. And for finishing touches, I am going to go in with some of these bedazzles here. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. It was hell getting this look completed and to have it look cute like this. I'm not gonna lie. You guys, don't forget to go check out Courtney, Jeannette, and again, I'll leave her linked below. But you guys, this was hell getting this look done because I did not know where I was going with it. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.